How's it going, Airsofters? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another product review, and this time is from Amarok Sports. A quick shout to them to sending these products for me to review, much appreciated. So Amarok is a Taiwanese company which primarily making airsoft accessories, which include magazine, rail segments, scope, and many more. This particular magazine is Amarok's first ever product into the airsoft community. More product coming soon. Take a look at the name of it, as they called Mag250. That is very self-explanatory. And yes, this magazine holds 250 rounds, and these are not the windy high cap. These are spring-loaded, just like the PTS EPM one, but it's a little bit better. Sorry PTS, I got to say the truth, and I will explain why at the end. Okay, back to the Mag250. First impressions, it feels absolutely solid. The quality of these magazines are top notch. Okay, without further ado, let's test the magazines. I took my Tokyo Marui Sky L and GRS for the first shooting test, and now let's see the magazine fitting the gun. Yes, it does. And no play, no wobble whatsoever. Perfect. And today we are using TBRN BBs for the test. These BBs are brilliant. I'll put a link somewhere and get yourself some discount. Let me just load up. The loading process is very smooth, even at the end. Nice. Okay, it's testing the Amarok Mag250. Full auto only. Here's go nothing. .250 all clear. Gonna try one more time just to make sure. That is brutal, and at this point you can see the Mag250 is feeding very reliably. No jam, no nothing. In the next experiment, I'll using the Tokyo Marui High Kappa 5.1, but in a HBA setup. This HBA adapter compatible with the M4 Max or AR Max. Looking insanity, doesn't it? Nice. Guns ready. Max ready. Due to the nature of the HBA adapter, there will be a stack of BBs still retained in the magazine. So this is the Mag250 made by Amarok Sports. 250 round capacity, ergonomic design, serration all around the magazine, very easy to get hold on to. The whole thing just feel unbeatable. Another thing I need to point out is, the reloading process is so smooth. Exceptionally smooth. Even on the last round, I can barely feel any resistance. And this is the PTS EPM 1, capacity also 250 round. I'm gonna reload it in real time. I will show you the major problem. so I stop here at the 200 marks, more or less. The reloading process on this EPM1 is getting real tight. You see, that's what I'm talking about. The further you go down, the harder BBs gets in. This will potentially break your reloader eventually. Meh. And the most important factor is the price. I can't say a number for definite at this moment, but Amarok's told me they are lower than the EPM1. A more affordable price tag, that's for sure. Another good news is, you can actually buy them before the end of December at BZ Tactical. They are the distributor for Amarok in the UK. So, if you have any question on price or deals, please go to bztactical.co.uk. This is Henry from Pew Club Entertainment, and I'll see you next time.